And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. It's bright, it's beautiful. It's about 1:50 Pacific time, and we're going to take a look at the chart of the day on Bitcoin, look at potential targets, talk about some liquidation levels. And yes, the news is in. Israel. Just in, senior Israel official allegedly said unprecedented response is coming to Iran's attack tonight. The official told Channel 12 that Israelites should not go to bed because of what's coming. Channel 12, a senior Israeli official pledging an unprecedented response to Iran's attack and urging Israelis not to go to bed due to what is coming. Tehran's way. The Times of Israel, blah, 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 blah. And interesting comment above here. Israeli War Cabinet concludes third meeting on response, blah, blah, blah. Israel hopes its response to Iranian salvo will end the exchange of blows. Somebody just needs to put their fist down and stop throwing bombs that are just posturing, so we can get on with our lives in Bitcoin land. Needless to say, just following up on this target from yesterday. Look, measure move off the pennant here is down just a slight bit further. Call it 58.4, 58.8. Probably going to get front run with some kind of a major bounce along that line. Also noting the bearish engulfing candle, not quite engulfing. Let's see what on CMEs what it looked like. On the daily, yes, bearish engulfing. Much different chart on CMEs than on spot price action. But coming into a bounce region, the only thing I don't like is that volatility is now beginning to increase. So what else do we want to take a look at here? Some of the liquidation levels. But needless to say, wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin take one more leg down and put in a pretty significant bounce. This is what I would consider one of the buy the dip opportunities. Just going back in prior cycles here on the Bitcoin halving here again. Bull market typically starts 12 months before, and this is the 2019 halving, the big dump before, a little dump after. And then we got, looks like I'm going to have to take my dog out. Doggy wants to go out, and that is okay. That is okay. We'll go, Levi. Just give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes here. Following up on some of the liquidation levels, market looks a little bit sideways. And here's what I would say is if the market does trade sideways for a bit longer, that would be better. So it's completely normal for there to be a 30% correction right before or right after the halving. You can see this one here, right before, 40%, right after, 35%, right before, 60%, a bit of a outlier there. And then, where would 30% down from where we are at right now take us? Oh, that would take us all the way down to about, call it $50,000. So just be on the lookout for some kind of a swipe to the downside, somewhere between 58 and 50,000. And I would still consider that a major buying opportunity. I think that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed and highly favored rest of your day. Last thing I wanted to check out here is what Jerome Powell said about inflation in Canada today. I just turned $140 into $1,300 over the last 2 weeks. Yes, it's possible in the land of cryptocurrency. My name is Chris Mitchell. I am the CEO of Crypt Courses, and I'm bringing you this video because I'm going to give you some really good information on how to buy, sell, and trade digital currency. Now, you've probably heard about a lot of people making a lot of money in crypto, but you don't feel safe or intelligent enough to make the investment. That's why I created Bitcoin 101, how to stack sats using technical analysis. It's the crypto trader's dream to starting your crypto journey. It's absolutely free. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description below and we will get you your free guide today. See, again, they're looking for inflation to come down before they start cutting rates. I don't think the war is going to help with oil prices or inflation at all. So we want this thing to just get done here soon. Hopefully they, they don't drag it out any further. And lastly, liquidation level coming in here at about 50. The MEXC major heat zone here is coming in at, call it 57,000 to the downside and 69,000 to the upside. Short-term liquidation levels, people are net short right now, so shorts getting squeezed. If we run it, to the shorts getting squeezed if we run it to the upsides here and just tag some of that liquidity. I think if we do go up first, then likely we come down next, and vice versa. If we come down first, maybe tag this level right here at about 60,000. One more time, I would say we are going to put in a good bounce off that $60,000 time frame. Lastly, on the 15-minute time frame, we got one more thing to look at here. A bit of a short-term trade setup here, and well, this does look like it might be flipping around here as we're breaking the trend. Short term, maybe we pop it up first. But this was setting up several drives of bearish divergence coming back from this high right here. So price is making lower highs, RSI is making higher highs. So if we do confirm, any kind of a closure on a 15-minute time frame back below 62,400, I would look at that as a clear warning sign that we are going to swipe, a minimum probably 61.6. All right, that's it out of me today, guys. I hope you have a good one. All right, last one. Last thing to keep our eyes on here today. So we had the Chair Powell speech. We had building permits come in lower than expected. Okay, good for inflation. Negative for the dollar. And the next major economic impact data that is going to come out, jobless claims on the 18th, so that is going to be Thursday. Existing home sales on Thursday. And then I think that is it for the week. So not much left there. Stock market, again, it does look like it is going to put in a bounce attempt and retest the breakdown level. If it does fail there, that would be a good indicator that probably, yes, things are going to come a bit lower. All right. That's it. And I will leave you with that, guys. Have yourself a blessed and highly favored day. And make sure you check out the link in the description below about how to trade like a pro. We got crypt courses. And do me a favor, smash that like button if you do enjoy some of the content. All right. Take care.